What an ugly day from Bitcoin to the markets. What's up, everybody? Welcome aboard to Bubba's Daily Update for Wednesday, May the 19th. And this update is brought to you by our friends and partners at Family Farms who have the same interests as we do to help farmers do their jobs better financially, because let them do the farming, we'll help them with the finances. And of course, can't wait for the July event. Got the itinerary, got the invite, so I'm ready to go. And I wish it was July already, but I can't wait to get back out with the economy opening back up. And in the meantime, the markets are getting smushed today, and of course, we're short across the board, so that's a good thing. But the S&P futures are down about 60 points. The Dow's down about 500. The Nasdaq is down about 170, and the Russell's down about 500 as well. You know, it's one of those days, but we are short, and that is the trend. And it does look like those tops we saw the other day were exactly that, lower highs, and it looks like we're headed lower. And as they say, going south for the winter, or in this case, south for the summer. In the meantime, we remain short. Gold and silver and platinum, the metals. Gold has had a nice reversal after being down about 16, 17 bucks, is now about 16, 17 bucks. Silver is still relatively around the flat line, down about 26 cents, I think, now. And platinum is under a little bit of pressure, okay, down about 30 bucks. So, it could be, platinum could be reversing, but of course you've got the Bitcoin getting clobbered today. Now, again, is that because of China? Is that because of Elon Musk? It's because it was so far overvalued that it had to have a little bit of a sell-off. Remember, markets don't go straight up and straight down, and the more you push them in one direction, the bigger the move in the reverse is going to be. In fact, Coinbase had to shut down today because they couldn't take all the volume that was coming in. In the meantime, the dollar, of course, is rallying a little bit, and not unexpected when you weigh into the overall picture. I mean, the dollar is going to rally when you have a fear in the markets, along with the VIX. Bonds and notes have rallied as well. Again, those are the true fear assets. We're still long both of those, and of course, in crude oil is getting hammered. Okay. Now, again, we're long crude, but it is getting destructed right now. It's down about another $2.50 today. It looks pretty ugly, and I would suspect we'll be changing very shortly. Copper is also under a lot of pressure, and we're still long, and it's obviously that's a little bit painful today, but it's down 18 cents. It happens. And natural gas is back under $3, and we happen to be still long. So, look, at the end of the day, I don't worry about it. I just go about my business and know that what's next is next, and we'll be prepared. And, of course, if we look at the grain markets, the grains are under some pretty severe pressure. I'm making a little bit of a comeback, believe it or not, with corn down 12, beans down 38, and wheat down 14. The meats, cattle's up a nickel. Okay, hogs are down a dime, and the feeder cattle's up about 87 cents. So, not bad. And again, we're long the cattle, long the hogs, short wheat, short corn, and unfortunately long beans. In the softs, cotton is getting smushed. Coffee, which we're short, coffee's getting hammered. We're long. Sugar is getting beat down. We're long. We're short. Cocoa is getting hammered. We're long. And OJ's down, and we're long. So, at the end of the day, as I always tell you, one day doesn't make a trend. One day doesn't make a market. Don't worry about it. Don't fret yourself. Let the markets trade. Follow the rules. Follow your positions, and you will always be a much happier camper. But it does look like this market could really accelerate to the downside, and this looks like the start of the next big move down. In the meantime, remember our partners, and of course we've got two brokerage partners. Now I have many brokers, but I have two partners that I love to do business with, and for equities and options, it's Tradier. A, they're $10 a month, which is the biggest boom, and B, okay, they've got we've got their APIs, which allows us to automate your portfolio. That in our models, if you choose, you don't have to trade with them. You can do whatever you want, but it's a free membership that allows you to use our systems if you become a member. And they've got great customer service, especially on a day like today. And for futures and commodities, CTG is the only authorized vendor of our letter direction trading. They've got phenomenal customer service. They do a great job. They've got some brand new managed futures products. Check them out. info.capitaltradinggroup.com/Bubba. That's info.capitaltradinggroup.com/Bubba. And remember, our commodity report, Andy Hecht, he had nailed this perfectly on Monday night and in writing. So call Technomental, go to BubbaTrading.com and check it out. And of course, our high school program, Patreon, patreon.com/Bubba Trading. That's patreon.com/Bubba Trading. And of course, tomorrow starts the PGA. Okay, we will give you our early picks now, which are K.H. Lee, Sam Burns, Jordan Spieth, and Bryson DeChambeau. We'll see you all tomorrow, everybody, with another Bubba's Day update. Have a great day. We'll see you later.